Good day, everyone. A very happy new year 2025. We look forward to the year 2025 to lead us into right directions into the future, which is much more beyond 2025. Now, creating jobs and businesses should be our first aim. Either we should be focusing on them, and what are the things that lead to it? That is AI, robotics, computer science, engineering. All these are the fields that can lead to job creations and businesses. Right, so because I'm from AI, I would be just considering the AI applications. Those who are in mechanical or civil engineering can determine their job creations and business creations. Why? Because these are the things that drive it and drive the world, right? So they have to, civil engineers, electrical engineers, architects, they have to determine their own areas and they have to determine where their areas would be going. Right, as for me, I'm from AI, so I would be just telling you about things. For example, in AI, for example, better accident proof intelligent cars. Right, we want to avoid all kind of accidents, and just recently there was a car that burned outside a hotel yesterday only. So, how can you predict all such things before time so that such things don't happen, right? But it was sparked by self-sparked by humans, so to deter such a thing is a very very difficult thing. But still, can we have some kind of first aid in the cars? Better weather climate alerts. We all know, you all know, I write a lot about it, about weather alerts, and I will continue writing and presenting my views on latest developments in these areas. Right, I will be continuing to write about all those latest developments in this area, and then better medical support system, whether it is a pandemic or an epidemic. Last time, a query was done in which it was investigated where did the government fell apart, that it did not lead to a better pandemic support. So thing is, it's not just a query, a legal query. You have to find the solutions too. You did a query, but the query need to be telling what are the next points based on it. Right, I'm talking about UK. It happened there. Automated governance with AI and a selected leader. Now, leaders are also like people are revolting. So, do you think leaders would be liking it? Do you think that? So, they do think that they have responsibility, but to whom to give this responsibility to? So AI systems that are strong enough, which can learn with with the support of somebody who works for the leaders, right? So this is how it has to learn. Once it is learned, half of the work would be automated by AI. It doesn't need that thing about which is the good part or which is the bad part in government that you have to remove. It is just about learning with the help of the juniors of the leaders, and they are also leaders on their own. Junior just is just a word that I've said. It doesn't mean they're juniors. It means they are just at a different level in the hierarchy of the government. So all these things do matter, and if you have an automated system, you would be free, and the leaders would be a little bit uh, comfortable. For example, the weather system that happened in Spain, if it would had been in a with the help of an automated system, then half the responsibility goes to the automated system. That why did it inform the people on time, right? Nobody wants all these things, but next is law and order. Faster and better and accurate case handling in legal systems. There's so many cases. So there are some softwares, but we want even better softwares for better handling of legal system. Why? Because a lot of legal books and all can be learned with the LLMs, but supported only with LLM is not a thing. You have to develop more technologies that depend, that is like LLMs with the legal systems, LLMs with the help of logic, LLMs with the help of expert systems. So here the word expert systems comes in. For that you need experts, and those experts are humans. Then is robotic for space, robotic for humans. Like you need a personal assistant with you. So you have a robot which is a human and robotic for space, and that is you want to send to space robots, not humans, because humans can get stuck in the system which are naive. And the systems are very sophisticated, but thing is, we are still lagging behind in some of the systems development and discoveries of more things, right? So this is it for today, and there's lot and lot more that can be done. Right, quantum computing is coming. There are a lot and lot of things that can be done. I am just sharing my area, the future, and the things. A person who's a civil engineer can share his areas, his insights. As architects can share their areas, their insights. Architects are needed to, they also have to share their views and their things. Why? Because the new homes which have to be built, the climate sensitive homes, would be built by architects and designed by architects only if built by other engineers. But they would be designed by architects, civil engineers to have a role to play. Where I'm talking about the new house, which is climate sensitive houses. I shared a video. I shared a link on that also. You can go through my website and subscribe my website for updates on this and more. Sometimes I delve into other fields also. Happy New Year 2025. Thank you, everyone. Let this year be a great year. Thank you.